Hi, I'm Dan, and in this video we're going to look into how to install Python 2.7 and 3.6 on the same Windows machine. So this is something you might want to do. For example, if you want to test out how program behaves with different versions of Python, or if you have projects which need to use different versions of Python. So let's look into it. So let's search for Anaconda. Oh, not this one. I guess it would be best if we say Anaconda Python. Okay, here it is. Okay, now download Anaconda and let's take the 3.6 version. And install it. Okay, a few more seconds until it's done. Okay, here it is. I agree, just me. Okay, let's leave the defaults and install it. Okay, so this step should take a few minutes. Afterwards, it should be completed. I don't want to learn about these things, and close. Type Anaconda Prompt. Okay, so so this one works. So let's try again. Type Anaconda. We get the Anaconda Prompt. Okay, and here if we type conda, we see that it recognizes this command. Now let's try conda. We want to create a new virtual environment. Let's call it virtual Python Py2.7, which uses Python 2.7. Let's see how this works. Yes, we want this to be installed. Okay, it should be ready very soon. So what is a virtual environment and why would we care about it? So with a virtual environment, it basically isolates different Python installations. So this allows you, for example, if you have different projects, each project will have different dependency. This should allow you to separate dependencies between projects. It's really a much better way of deploying and managing your applications. Okay, let's do the same for a different version of Python. Yes. Okay, it's installing now. Should be ready very soon. Okay, it's done. And now let's say we want to activate this command, this virtual environment. Okay, and now let's say we want to open another one where we want to say activate to 7. Okay, and if we run Python here, we'll get this value, and we run. Okay, so as you can see, we installed 2 different versions of Python, 2.7 and 3.6, using Anaconda. And the advantage of this is that it's quite straightforward. The disadvantage is that Anaconda tends to take a bit more disk space, but that is an acceptable trade-off most of the time. Enjoy! Please subscribe for more useful videos. Bye!